Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank, hoping all of you are doing fine. And today we're gonna learn how to draw Winnie the Pooh. First thing we're gonna do is this arc on top of the page. That's gonna be the basis for his head. So we extend just a little. Let's extend the lines here. Alright, good enough. This is gonna be his shirt color. And now I draw the traditional line in the middle, separating the head in two parts, and I extend the line to the bottom of the page. This line is curved because this is a line representing his gesture, so his position is going to be following this line. Now his body is going to be something like an oval about the same size of his head, like this, connecting the two parts of the head. Now I give some distance between the end of his cheek and his shoulder. Now, so that's where I'm going to start. So I wanted to do something like a J at this point. Let me just refine it a little. Not too long, not too big. So this is the J, and from here you're going to make a curve and connect it to the shoulder. The other arm is going to be kind of similar. I will make a V shape and draw another curve from this point. Now I'll mark the place for the end of his shirt. And his legs are going to be like this. They're going to be wide on top, and then they're going to get thinner as they approach the ground. Just remember that his legs are not really going to meet in the center of his body. There must be a distance between them. Okay. So I'll do the same with the other one. This, the right foot is going to be lifted. So I'm going to make an oval here and another oval on the bottom of the foot, like this. Going back to the head, I'm gonna find the best division for the nose, and that's gonna be around here. And the nose is just gonna be a triangle with rounded corners like this. As you can see, my device lost some focus, but let's make do with what we have. There's gonna be a curve above his nose here, and his eyes are just going to be two dots. This one is going to be here with a curve on the side, and the other one here with a curve on the side too. His mouth is gonna be a big letter U. Simple smile. And now the lower part. His eyebrows are gonna be quite far from the eyes, like this. For the ears, it's just gonna be a circular form from this point. Try to do something symmetrical with the other side. Now let's go to the shirt. Reinforce a couple of lines here. Okay, now that we have this, we're going to make his sleeve coming from this point. It's just gonna be a little far from the arm, and it's basically done. Don't forget to add some folds in fabric whenever necessary. Another fold around here. See what I'm doing? I'm giving some distance from the fabric to his body, like this. Now let's do the other sleeve. It's okay. And the sketch is basically done. Now I'm gonna get a liner and let's do the line work. Alright, so now that I have erased the lines that I don't want to keep, I'm going to start with watercolor paints, and this is one of the processes I like doing. I usually use a thicker layer of paint for the darker areas, and then I start spreading with some water. It will give your drawing a very nice and natural effect. If I'm not mistaken, this is called something like wet on dry or something like this. Let's not forget I'm also using watercolor paper, so it will react well with the amount of water I'm putting on it. Now for his shirt, now that we have a darker color, I'm just gonna use flat red. And color some of the dark areas with brown, because I think that's the best option to use a shade in red. And that's it. Winnie the Pooh is ready. I hope you have enjoyed the process, and I hope I have made it easy enough for you guys to replicate. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. I hope to see you guys next time with another tutorial for another amazing character. Thanks for watching the video. See you!